Vidura College, Grade 3, English Language. Hello, my dear children. Today I have brought you a beautiful poem. Have you learned poems before? The poem is Enormous Cafe. What a poem, children! Yes, a poem is a piece of writing that expresses feelings and ideas using imaginative language. So, my dear children, people have been writing poems for thousands of years. A poet is a person who writes poetry. Shall we read the poem, children? Enormous Cafe. You should pay a visit to our restaurant where everything is enormous. 100 chefs make a pudding with black currant. Our kitchen is famous. Soup here is deeper than the lake. Our noodles stretch a mile. The bread is longer than a snake. It's sure to make you smile. We serve tea in large bowls. Our pies could hide the moon. To have a piece from our giant's toasts, we hope you'll visit soon. Okay, my dear children, let's read the first stanza again. You should pay a visit to our restaurant where everything is enormous. 100 chefs make a pudding with black currant. Our kitchen is famous. So, my dear children, what is the place mentioned in the poem? Yes, it's a restaurant. So, how many chefs are there to make the pudding? Yes, 100 chefs are there to make the pudding. So, children, do you like to visit this kind of restaurant? Okay, my dear children, let's read the second stanza. Soup here is deeper than the lake. Our noodles stretch a mile. The bread is longer than a snake. It's sure to make you smile. So, my dear, what are the food items available in this restaurant? Yes, we can see noodles, bread also there. And you can have soup also. So, children, do you like to visit this kind of restaurant? Yes. Okay, now let's read third stanza. We serve tea in large pots. Our pies could hide the moon. To have a piece from our giant toasts, we hope you all visit soon. Okay, children, have you ever seen that tea is serving in a large pot? No. Okay, now let's read the poem again. Let's read the poem again. You should pay a visit to our restaurant where everything is enormous. 100 chefs make a pudding with black currant. Our kitchen is famous. Soup here is deeper than the lake. Our noodles stretch a mile. The bread is longer than a snake. It's sure to make you smile. We serve tea in large pots. Our pies could hide the moon. To have a piece from our giant toasts, we hope you all visit soon. Okay, children, now it's time to answer to these questions orally. How deep is the soup mentioned here? How long is the bread in this cafe? How is tea being served in this cafe? What is the size of the pies served here? Name 3 food items sold in this restaurant. Find out the drink offered here. Okay, children, now I hope that you can answer these questions properly. Okay, my dear children, now we are going to learn about rhyming words. What are the rhyming words, children? Yes, words that have the same sound are called rhyming words. Did you notice that there are some rhyming words in the poem? As examples, cat, bat, back, pack. Next one, tall, ball. And the last one, run, bun. What are the rhyming words in this poem? Yes, did you notice these words, children? Enormous, famous. And next one, moon, then mile, and then lake. You have to find what are the rhyming words for these words. If it is moon, you can write soon. If it is mile, you can write smile. If it is lake, you can write snake. So dear children, I hope that you have done this lesson quickly. Okay, my dear children, now you can see some more words in the down. There are also some words that you want to think and write rhyming words. First one, tall. Second one, roll. Third one, round. Fourth one, catch. Fifth one, reach. Sixth one, king. Seventh one, tight. So my dear children, you want to write another 2 rhyming words which are going for this. Now we are going to learn about another new thing, that is hyperbole. What is hyperbole, children? Describing something, making it more than it really is. What are the hyperbole in this poem? 100 chefs make a pudding with black currant. Soup here is deeper than the lake. Our noodles stretch a mile. The bread is longer than a snake. We serve tea in large bowls. So my dear children, can you believe this kind of things? Or the poem has written in imaginative language? Yes, children. So we can call this kind of phrases as hyperbole. Okay, children. Now there is a small exercise for you all to do. Can you see it in your book? Yes. A car traveling at a high speed. So you can write, the car runs faster than a speeding bullet. The next one, a tall tree. A tree taller than the tallest tower in the world. So, third one, a heavy bag. So, my dear children, that is for you. Next one, a quiet girl. That one also you want to think and write. Okay, my dear children, now we have come to the end of the lesson. Before that, you can see that there are 4 words to find the meanings. Enormous, famous, chef, giant. So my dear children, use your Oxford Mini Dictionary to find the meanings for these problems. Okay children, I hope that you really enjoy this lesson. Thank you for joining with this lesson. Goodbye. Stay safe at home.